Intro. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to act on a first date. First dates can be nerve-wracking, but they don't have to be. With a little bit of preparation, you can make sure that your first date is memorable and enjoyable. How to make your first date memorable? There are a few things you can do to make your first date memorable. Choose a fun and interesting activity. You don't want to go to a movie or dinner on your first date. Choose something that you can do together and talk about. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. Your date will be able to tell if you're being fake, and it will make them feel uncomfortable. Be a good listener. Ask your date questions about themselves and really listen to their answers. People love to talk about themselves, so this will show them that you're interested in them. Be positive and upbeat. No one wants to go on a date with someone who is negative and complaining all the time. Smile, be friendly, and make an effort to have fun. How to not be nervous on a first date. Nervousness is normal on a first date, but there are a few things you can do to calm your nerves. Take a deep breath. When you start to feel nervous, take a few deep breaths to calm yourself down. Focus on the positive. Think about all the reasons why you're excited to go on this date. Remind yourself that this is a chance to meet someone new and have fun. Don't overthink it. It's easy to overthink everything on a first date, but try not to do it. Just relax and enjoy the moment. How to make your first date exciting. There are a few things you can do to make your first date exciting. Plan something unexpected. Don't just go to the same old restaurant or movie. Plan something that will surprise your date and make them feel special. Be spontaneous. Don't be afraid to go off the beaten path and do something spontaneous. This will show your date that you're fun and adventurous. Don't be afraid to flirt. A little bit of flirting can go a long way on a first date. Just don't overdo it. How to get a second date. If you want a second date, there are a few things you can do. Make a good impression. This means being on time, being well-groomed, and being polite. Show your interest. Make eye contact, smile, and ask your date questions. Plan something fun. If you had a good time on your first date, plan something even better for the second date. Follow up. Send your date a text or email the next day to thank them for a great time. Conclusion. So, those are a few tips on how to act on a first date. If you follow these tips, you'll be well on your way to having a memorable and enjoyable first date. Out pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you next time.